In this video, we are going to look at how to use the new Export Grades to EDSBY tool that will allow you to export all your grades in Brightspace into EDSBY. Now, one of the biggest reasons you're going to want to do this is the fact that we are now going to be doing comments in EDSBY. So if you at least just want to export your current grades of your students into EDSBY so that you can write those comments without having to type everything in manually, you can use this tool. You can also use this tool to export all your grade items, but with one disclaimer, there's not a lot of information that EDSBY enables you to import. So really what you're going to be importing is the student ID, the first name and last name of the student, the date of the assessment, the name of the assessment, what the assessment is out of, and the current and the grade of every student. So things like weightings and categories and units and things will not be imported. So if you do choose to import all your items into EDSBY, you will have to reorganize that and reweight them when they're there. But you could just export them all so parents can at least see what they're getting on all the assessments, and then you can just update the final grade manually if you want to do that as well based on the weightings in Brightspace. So there's lots of different ways you can use this tool for different purposes, but here's how you're going to use it. So first of all, you're going to need to add the navbar icon into your navbar. So it's currently not here, seeing as this tool was just developed, it's not in the default navbar. We're going to click on these three dots and go edit this navbar. So once you do that, you're going to click on add links. And here, if you just simply search export, it should be the only tool that comes up. So here it is, the export grades to EDSBY. We're going to add it and then save and close. So now when we are back on our home page, if we click the drop-down arrow, you're going to see that tool here now. So when you click on that tool, you're going to get a pop-up window. And what you'll see is just a list of all of your grade items. So it's going to be organized like this. You're going to have all your units here, or grade categories, and you're going to have all your grade items here. So you can select everything. So if you just clicked here, it's going to select everything. If you unselect that, you can select them by units. Say you just wanted to do a particular unit, like that. If you just want the final grade, you could either click that or you can click this as well. So for now, let's just do all of them. And I'll show you how to pull that into EDSBY. So once you click the grades you want to export, you're going to click export. And what it'll do is it'll download a CSV or a comma separated value file with all of the appropriate information formatted correctly so that you can import it right into EDSBY. All right, so once you have that file, you're just going to log into EDSBY and go to your gradebook. So this is a test course that I'm using. So these aren't real students, but what it does is it matches up with the information in Brightspace so that I'm going to be able to enter in or import in these marks. So up at the top right in EDSBY, you have this drop-down cogwheel. Go to import. And please select a file for import. So you're going to click browse. And you can see right here is the file that we just imported. Or sorry, exported from Brightspace that we're going to import here now. So if we click open, what you're going to see is all of your assessments down here. Now it says that 15 students from the class do not match to the data. That just means I'm only importing the information for 5 students. So there's a whole bunch of other students here I'm not importing the information for, but yours will match up perfectly. So the EDSBY field student ID is going to match up with the file field student ID. That's fine. Assessment name fine. Date is fine. Out of and grade are all fine. It's all automatically set up. So the only thing that doesn't get imported is this unit. So EDSBY doesn't allow you to import the unit or the grade category in Brightspace. So all of the items you're about to import will be imported into the same unit. So you can either choose an existing unit that you have or add a new unit. I've already created a unit called test. So we're just going to import everything into that test unit. So like I said before, you can't do weightings or units or anything like that. EDSBY won't allow you to import them. It's pretty basic what you import, but at least you're going to import all of the grade items, their grades, and the dates, and it's all going to be thrown into this one unit. So now they're all going to be imported. And notice here, you do have all the grades, right? You have all the information here. You have the assessment name. Now, if there is no date associated with the grade item in Brightspace, it's going to default to today's date, whatever that date is. And notice it does have all of the grades already in there. And if you want to import it into a current assessment that you already have, you can do that. Or just it's going to create a new assessment. That's the default for all of them. So we're going to click on import here. And it takes a few seconds. But it is actually just going to import all of these into EDSBY for us. So now all of those grade items that were in Brightspace are now here in EDSBY. And notice that final grade actually does come up as a grade item. It doesn't actually set the final grade in EDSBY. It just imports it as a separate grade item. So if you want to make this grade the only thing that counts for anything, you can do that. Make that 100% of the mark, then their average is going to match up. But the parents will still be able to see all the other marks, but they won't count for anything in EDSBY because all of the weightings are being done in Brightspace. Like I said, if you actually want to set up the weightings, you're going to have to do that separately here. But the purpose of this tool is not so much to actually set it up exactly like it is in Brightspace, because you can't do that. EDSBY won't allow you to import weightings and stuff like that. But what it will allow you to do is have parents be able to view grades, and it will allow you to quickly be able to import at least that final grade or at least that current grade in here so that you can then go ahead and do your comments. All right, please, if you have any questions, please let me know, Peter Finney at peterfinney@publicboard.ca, because this is the first time this tool is rolling out. If you do have any problems with it, please let me know and I'll make sure I can help you out. All right, good luck.